Officials from red states,
the state will have an extended spring break,
to blue,
something I could not in a million years have imagined having to do,
all making the same hard choice, shutting down schools to stop the spread of, at the time, an unknown and deadly virus.
3,000 deaths already nationwide.
The science behind the consequences, not exactly certain.
But I don't have a good explanation or solution to the problem of what happens when you close schools and it triggers a cascade of events.
New research finding what does happen. The shutdowns coming at a steep cost to students.
What we're seeing is that the pandemic is really acting as a compounding debt. It's keeping kids from being able to progress as they enter new levels within the education system at the typical rates we would expect.
Start with the learning loss. A study led by researchers at Harvard and Stanford found school districts that spent most of the 2020 to 2021 school year remote saw students fall more than half a grade behind in math on average, more than districts that spent most of the year in person. Lower income students ended up hurt the most, whether they went back to school sooner or stayed mostly at home that year. Politics also playing a role. Republican-led states reopening faster than those run by Democrats. Some of those red state governors, like Florida's Ron DeSantis, arguing his way worked.
We in Florida dragged the country out of lockdown.
Some Democrats and teachers unions standing by their approach.
We knew we had to be in school. We just wanted to be safe.
Question is, did closures slow COVID down? Data we now have shows people under 20 were half as likely to catch COVID, but not necessarily less likely to spread it. And experts we spoke with say the impact on stopping the spread depends on the school.
By the summer of 2020, we did have some data primarily from Europe showing that kids could be safely in school. But again, circumstances. Some schools were able to do that. Other schools just simply could not do it.
But the academic damage is done. And even now, national test scores from spring 2023 show students 3rd through 8th grade overall have not rebounded from what they lost in math. Experts say districts need to boost funding for tutoring or summer school to get those numbers back up.
The problem that we're seeing is that the dosage of the treatment does not match the scale of the crisis. Without those interventions, I think we will have no hope of getting kids out of this hole.
While the next major health crisis will probably have a whole new set of challenges, some argue there are valuable lessons learned.
We can't take the lessons specifically from COVID and say, what we learned there is exactly going to apply. But what we can do is build resiliency in our school system so that they are able to withstand this potential needing to stay open.
Dr. O'Leary, who you heard there, says if there's any one thing schools need to pay for now, it's ventilation, keeping that up to date to try to build resilience in schools for the next crisis.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.